Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Research and Analysis. In our last tutorial we have discussed how to reference a journal article by using inbuilt function of Microsoft Word. But in this video we will specifically talk about how to reference a book. The initial process to add a book citation is the same as we added the journal article citation. First we need to add it in our list. To add in our list, we need to go to the references, and from here just manage sources. You can see one reference is already there, which we covered in our last video, but now we are going to add the citation of the book. Just go to new, and from here just type of source, you need to change it into the book, and first thing we need to add the authors. Just click edit. This is a book which we want to cite in our article. The first author is Stephen Robin. Just copy and paste it here. This is Robin is last name, Stephen, and the middle one. Please make sure there should be no space while writing the first, last or middle name. Then click add. Now we need to add the second author, Mary Kotler. Copy and paste it here. Just click add. Both the authors has been added. Just click OK, and then we need the title. Title is management. Year of publication, it is 2018. Just write 2018. Then we need publisher name. Publisher name is Pearson. The last thing we need to add is the edition number. Just scroll down, and here we need to add the edition number. Edition is 14th, so we can write 14th. Just click OK. See, citation has been created, and this is how we can add it in our bibliography. But this is not end. Now this particular book has been added to our list, and now we can cite this book where we want, and we can do it as many times as we like. If we want to add the citation of that book over here, first we need to put our cursor here and then go to the option of insert citation, and from here we need to select our citation. As we can see, this was our citation. Just click it and see the citation has been added. But after that we need to update the bibliography, as we already have one reference over there. What we need to do is just click this, and you can see the particular option of update citation and bibliography. Just update it. See, second reference has also been added to our references. So this is how you can reference a book in your research article or a thesis by using the inbuilt function of Microsoft Word. I hope this video will be helpful. Thanks for watching.